Hello guys, this is Thompson from 5 Best Ones. Are you looking for the best product on the market? If yes, then you're in the right place. In this video, I will share every bit of information with you so that you can pick the best product according to your need. We have made a list by investing a healthy amount of time and effort. The link in the description demonstrates the product list with a pretty reasonable value. So let's get started. If you didn't subscribe to our channel yet, then subscribe now and hit the bell icon for our latest videos.
Number 1. Rocco and Roxie Supply Professional Mattress Cleaner. The Rocco and Roxie Professional Mattress Cleaner is a strong cleaner spray. Unlike the previous 3 cleaners, this one is just a chemical spray and not an entire mattress steam cleaner. It's available in a 32-ounce spray bottle or a gallon bottle. You can eliminate odors, stains, residue, and more by simply spraying and wiping. In addition to getting rid of the stain, any accompanying smell will vanish as well. This spray uses enzyme-activated cleaning for the best results. It is also chlorine-free and certified to be safe for pets and children, so you don't have to worry about any harmful side effects. Use this odor and stain remover on mattresses, carpets, furniture, and so much more. Pair it with a steam cleaner for even better results. We purchased Rocco and Roxie's stain and odor eliminator so our writer could put it to the test. Keep reading for our full product review. It's been at least a decade since my husband and I bought a new rug with confidence, and we can thank our very accident-prone cat and dog, as well as the newest human additions to our family for that. Our pets have a bad habit of doing their business on any and every carpet or pile of soft fabrics, and since our longtime pet stain and odor cleaner was no longer getting the job done, we decided to give Rocco and Roxie's professional strength stain and odor eliminator a shot. Read on to see if this product helped save our smelly carpets. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 2. Bissell Multi-Purpose Portable Mattress Cleaner. This extraction cleaner gets stains out about as well as anything we tested, and it costs less than most. The little green also seems to have fewer major reliability problems than other models. With a combination of the handheld suction brush, hot tap water, and cleaning formula, the Bissell Little Green Portable Carpet Cleaner 1400B removed several tough stains in our tests. It's a great tool if you have pets or kids who regularly puke, pee, or make other small messes on your stuff, or if you need to regularly clean other types of stains on carpets, furniture, or a car's interior. This cleaner won't tackle a whole living room's worth of carpets or rugs. You'd need an upright washer for that. Nor will it deep clean and disinfect upholstery and carpeting. The Bissell Multi-Purpose Portable Mattress Cleaner is a bit less expensive than the SpotClean Professional, but still very effective. It uses the combination of strong suction and a powerful chemical to pick up tough stains and other spots on your mattress. And with all Bissell products, if you purchase this cleaner, they will donate some of the proceeds to help homeless animals. This mattress and upholstery cleaner is small and nimble, so it can fit in tight and large spaces. It also comes in 2 different colors, green and purple. It has a removable water tank that holds up to 48 ounces of water. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 3. Bissell SpotClean Professional Portable Mattress Cleaner. The Bissell SpotClean Professional Portable Mattress Cleaner is a powerful spot and stain cleaner and will remove any aggressive stains on your mattress. And when you're not using it for beds, you can also use this versatile cleaner for carpets, stairs, car interiors, and much more. You'll no longer have to leave it to the professionals for a deep clean, as, for not too much money, you can now do it yourself. This compact, 13-pound machine is easy to take to hard-to-reach areas, so you can remove spots and stains from carpets, area rugs, stairs, upholstery, auto interiors, and similar soft surfaces. It comes with a 6-stair tool, 3 tough stain tool, and a trial-size bottle of our Pro Max Clean Plus Protect formula to permanently remove tough pet stains. And it doesn't just clean up after pets. This machine helps save them too. Bissell proudly supports Bissell Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets. When you buy a Bissell product, you help save pets too. We're proud to design products that help make pet messes, odors, and pet homelessness disappear. This Bissell mattress and carpet cleaner also come with a cleaning solution that helps protect against future stains. Also included is a stair tool, a tough stain tool, and a trial-size bottle of Pro Max Clean. The Bissell SpotClean Pro Portable Carpet Cleaner is our most powerful spot and stain cleaner. It uses a combination of superior suction, scrubbing action, and specially formulated Bissell cleaning solutions to remove spots, stubborn stains, and embedded dirt. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 4. McCulloch Heavy Duty Steam Cleaner. The McCulloch Heavy Duty Steam Cleaner has 18 accessories, an extra long power cord, and is chemical-free. For an affordable price, you get a high-quality steam cleaner that doesn't use any harsh chemicals, but it still provides an exceptional clean. Instead, this cleaner uses hot, pressurized steam to eliminate dirt, stains, odors, and more. It can clean countertops, carpets, mattresses, and much more. It features one of the larger water tanks out there. The 48-ounce tank heats up in only 8 minutes. Once heated, the tank can work for up to 45 minutes of continuous steaming. The 18 accessories make cleaning your mattress and other areas of your home a breeze. With the steam, you can kill up to 99.9% of bacteria and germs for a clean and safe mattress. If you are looking for bed bug cleaners, this one has steam hot enough to kill bed bugs. The McCulloch MC 1275 Heavy Duty Steam Cleaner is a professional quality solution for those who are serious about steam cleaning. Using ordinary water heated to over 200 degrees Fahrenheit, the steam cleaner naturally cleanses and disinfects a wide variety of surfaces. With professional steam power and a versatile array of accessories, the steam cleaner is designed to tackle the toughest jobs in your garage or workshop. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 5. Hoover Spotless Portable Carpet and Upholstery Spot Cleaner. The Hoover Spotless Portable Carpet and Upholstery Spot Cleaner is one of the less expensive steam cleaners but still offers a quality clean. You can also order the machine with the cleaning chemicals for added convenience. The device has a self-clean technology as it flushes the hose after each use to remove any bacteria, dirt, and other substances that may get stuck. There is also an antimicrobial tool that helps protect against mold and other dirt collecting on the cleaner. Another unique feature is the dual water tank system, which keeps the dirty and clean water separate, making emptying and refilling the tanks simple. Removing stains on your memory foam mattress should be a breeze with this cleaner. Thanks to its small size, it is easy to fit in tight spaces and simple to transport and store whenever you're not using it. Families know that messes can happen at any time. Thanks to the Hoover Spotless Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner, there's no need to worry about spills, muddy shoes, or pet messes anymore. The Hoover Spotless easily lifts and removes stains by combining powerful suction and hygienic deep cleaning tools with the added power of Hoover Expert detergents. The only spot cleaner with self-clean technology flushes the hose clean after each use to help prevent odors and bacteria growth, providing a spotless clean inside and out. Dirty water capacity, 36 ounces. Please comment on which product you like the most. Let us know your opinion on the topic for our next video. We are done for today. See you again next week. Thank you.